Right. Get to work. I made myself a little see-through so that when my terminal commands bleed over into where I am, you can still kind of read it. I'm going to disappear on any bright backgrounds, but you know, it's 2025. If if you have software or a website that doesn't support dark mode, I don't know what you're doing. Well, mine don't support dark mode or light mode, to be honest. They're just one mode. But the plan is to implement that. I have so many things to implement. And that's the way the news goes. Okay, so let's unsplit that. What am I doing here? So today, before I get started on the widget I'm going to be working on, I'm going to create a clone of my current live website at barkmint.com with my logo that hue rotates very slowly, and then if you enter in the Konami code up, down, left, right, EA, enter instead of start, it just rotates faster because. And that's all my website is. So what I want to do is add in like, well, I also made this website with this fancy neon light animation. It's very subtle. I don't even know if it's going to come through on the video, or it might come through more on the video, being less subtle because it's. I don't know. But I'm going to add that to this and turn this into a, streaming soon page. So we're going to start off using the GitHub CLI to clone that repo down, because that is an old website. I never thought I was going to be going back to that. It's just a quick placeholder. So we're going to use the GitHub CLI to clone that down. GH repo clone /. Lovely. And just go into there, giving it an install. Oh, this is the old site. That's why there's so many vulnerabilities. Okay, I don't care about that. Reserve it. Want that there. I had CodePen open because I wanted to test a white background on me. And I knew the basic background was white. I guess you can kind of see me, but not as good. One of these days I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on like my menu buttons. Like this guy is just Like it's literally just 3 bars, and they transform. And for this one, because it has the glow, I needed to actually use all three because you have the first one, you have the second one, but the second one's glow goes over top of the first one. So you actually need the third bar to cover up the original one, so that there's no glow in the center of the X. Whereas most of my other ones, let's go to. No, my website doesn't have a menu. Go to Broctopus. Whereas Broctopus is the top and the bottom ones rotate to form the X, and the center one just disappears. So I think at some point I'm going to make tutorials on how to build this, and this is just like it's a button is the whole thing, and then each of these bars, this is just one span, and it has a before and an after pseudo tag. So that's pretty fun. In fact, let me see if I can just. It's probably in the header. Yeah, the controls wrapper. It's just the button. And then inside here, this is the span that is I think it's the center bar. And then the before and the after tags are, the other two, the top and the bottom. And, right here, when it's expanded, and this is using ARIA labels. This is another function SAS function I wrote that basically just makes it ARIA expanded equals true. And then, it rotates and translates the bars to turn them into an X. That's all that is. And this is publicly available on npm @mint / mint. Also, I think the repo should be public on GitHub, because I'm going to have my website automatically build docs from public GitHub APIs. Excuse me. I already actually have most of that built. I just need to transfer it on over here. Okay, so where are we at? Can I get a localhost yet? Localhost. Home. Yes, we're good. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to go into Diacerno, which has the SAS for this stuff. Oh, this is because Diacerno has the custom menu button. So this is basically the same code for the menu button, except with the new values to use the center bar rotated on top of another one. Let's see, neon type is here. Do I have a comment of where I got that from? Because I found this from a CodePen pen, and I replaced variables, values with variables, and I think there's less I think the one I used as a base had more shadows. I think I'm sad. Usually I would paste a link to where I got this from, but I clearly didn't. Wonder if I can find it. It's probably the first one. No, I don't think this one was it. This one's not animated, so it's definitely not this. I feel like it was. No, it wasn't that one. Am I not going to be able to find? Definitely wasn't those. That. Ah, shoot. No. No. How many of these are there? None of these are as good as the one that I worked off of, and I don't hate this effect. Might come back to that. Open that in a new tab. Jeez, where? Where could it be? Okay, so maybe the one I used is. Ooh, that one was too flickery. I don't know. At this point, I'm just wasting time. Just gonna. Oh, I want that one. Give up that one. Okay, come back here. So, back to the neon type. I'm gonna take this. Take this. I'm gonna take that. Copy that. Might come back to these, but probably not. Come here, SCSS, imports, global. Let's see, this one's in global. I'll just come over here. Was I not serving? I thought I was serving. Yeah. Ah, I scroll up. Okay, so that built. So I think I come to the home page. Nope, that's not right. It is, let's check out the app component. Um, okay. So I guess to change it, I just alter the rotation speed, just how often, how long to time out before making the next change. But I imagine. Oh, here's the logo. Okay, so I did the hue rotate in the style tag. That feels wrong. This is old code. Don't judge me for this. What do you want, bud? My cat wants something. We're gonna make him the hero of this stream. What are you doing, Toma? Oh, butthole on stream. What do you want? He's not gonna tell me. Okay, what was I doing? Hue rotate is in here. Go. And then gonna start with offline. Okay. Okay. That's using a font my friend made. I'm gonna go to Google. Fancy. Too fancy. You know what? I know which one I want. Gotta go here. What was I doing? Documents. No. Okay. I hate that Windows is trying to make your OneDrive folder your default documents. Not all documents should be saved to the cloud. The default should not be saving your documents to the cloud. At least for me, like I have this code folder, and in here there's probably a .env file somewhere that has keys that I don't want in the cloud. That's my issue. And then just like all this other shit, like I don't know, Premiere files, like one Premiere export into the documents folder that's now just OneDrive. And I uninstalled OneDrive. OneDrive is not on my computer. It should not be on my it's on my computer, isn't it? I reinstalled it for something and then okay. You know what? That's good. Let's have a quick mini lesson. For all of you who absolutely despise OneDrive and don't know how to get rid of it, super simple. Ugh. Just gonna clear that. So you want to use winget? I'm just gonna search. You don't have to do this part because it's gonna give me the information and you'll have that. We do winget search OneDrive. Oh look, lovely. Microsoft.OneDrive is the ID of OneDrive. Is it installed? It doesn't say here, but you know what, just in case, if you want to uninstall OneDrive, just open up. Well, first, you need to make sure you go to the App Store and update your apps, because if your package manager is not up to date, then you won't have winget. But if you have if you have winget, or if you haven't updated your Microsoft Store apps, go do that before even trying winget, because you need an updated app installer, I think is the name of the app. And then you get that, then you get winget, and then winget search OneDrive. You don't have to do that, but that gives you the ID, Microsoft.OneDrive. And then you can do winget uninstall Microsoft.OneDrive. Doesn't have to be case sensitive. Oh, okay, yeah. Even though I already uninstalled it, it found it. And I'm gonna... And then it uninstalls OneDrive for you. My life is just so much better now. It's amazing. If you're not using winget, you're messing up. Package managers are the best way to manage software. Even better than the store. Like if I have a choice between the store and winget, it's always winget, because like you can find anything. Like you want to install Steam, winget, search Steam. Well, I searched stream, so that's not right. We'll search for Steam. And then you just gotta look for valve.steamlink is not the right one, but we're getting close. That tells you it's probably gonna be valve.steam, yeah. Valve.steam. And then you just type in winget install valve.steam. I already have it installed, so no reason to do that, but that'll install Steam. And then whenever you want to keep your apps up to date, you do that for all of them in one command. It's clear. Winget upgrade will list all of your apps that have an available upgrade. MVM is always there because it doesn't get upgraded, and also Discord has its own updates, so it's sticky there. Just whenever I open Discord, it's going to update itself. But AWS command line interface, I can type in winget upgrade -- all, and it's going to upgrade that one. But if I hadn't run this in a minute, it would be like, you know, most of my apps. But I like to run this like once a boot. And all of my apps are always at the latest version, always. Even the ones that haven't implemented automatic updates. So, the lesson today is that package managers are the best way to install software. By far. And it's just so easy. You just type in a couple words and it gives you all the information you need. It's just, you know, intimidating at the beginning for people who aren't comfortable with the terminal. And that you just, if you're into any kind of software stuff, you should just learn the terminal as best you can. Force yourself to use it, even though it feels clunky. The more you do it, the less clunky it's gonna feel, and the better you're gonna get. And once you're good at it, man, it's like being a wizard. I can do anything. You can do anything quickly, and especially with an AI chatbot beside me, I can just explain what I want the command to do. It'll build that command for me. And it's good to have the knowledge of, oh yes, that's correct, because AI can be incorrect often. I swear, one of these days it's gonna give somebody the code to do, what do you call it? File system roulette, I think is the name. I'm not even gonna go over that because somebody's gonna enter it in their computer and it's gonna be awful. What am I doing over here? Complaining about OneDrive. Yes. Okay, back here. Everybody's gonna see that I spelled Premiere wrong when I first made the folder. What was I doing? Oh, yes. Okay, so I want to go to rain meter. So what I want to do, it's not correct. I want to go to documents, and you'll see I have two documents folders. because Microsoft is asshole and makes this fancy one that everyone's going to click on, OneDrive. And this plain one, your actual documents folder. Like, it's so convoluted. All the apps now come with the default folder of OneDrive, and it's like basically they're trying to trick you into filling up your OneDrive and then paying for more OneDrive, and you just don't need to. What am I doing here? Oh, secret one. We're not going over that one. That one is not appropriate. Put a little hidden thing on my desktop, which I don't think I could. I'd have to reboot the stream and set it to a different monitor. Or, well, maybe. I bet I can just move this. Yeah, I can. Can I move? I can't move it off the screen. Do I have to pick a different, probably have to pick a different source for my other monitor. Oh yeah, it's a display capture, so I could probably come over here, display capture 2. Yeah, side monitor. You can't see any of this because OBS hides itself from the stream. Now that's on top. That's down here. Okay, so this is my wallpaper. Most of this is just a wallpaper you download from Wallpaper Engine. I added the time and the day. When you hover over them, it gets clearer. The dates over here. What else? Yeah, and you can see the F from Friday goes behind the mountain. Like on Wednesday, it comes down and this mountain hides most of the W, and the Y is hidden by this planet. And basically, I just cut these out, and these are just image widgets, and place them, just copied the static parts of the already made wallpaper, put them on top. And then also, I gotta, while I'm showing this, I gotta show the train I made for the tracks near the bottom. Every hour on the hour, it's actually, the train goes by right before the clock turns to the next, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock on the hour. And I can just bring this here to hide, and like down here is going to be the train. I'm just going to reload it so that it runs, but it's like a cuckoo clock. Just boop. Little train goes by. And then obviously this right here is a image widget. This right here is an image widget. So that blocks the view, and then the train is just like a box here, and it goes off goes out of view. One of these days I'll do a walkthrough on how to build something like that. For now, I'm gonna get back to this. I'm getting so distracted. What was I doing? Oh, yes, because I wanted the font that I used. I want the font that I'm using for Friday, for the day of the week. So let's get rid of that. Go to the day. Open with VS Code. Font face, yellow tail. Lovely. Close that. Yep. Get font. Oh. Maybe I don't want to use that. I just use the yeah, give me that. Get font. I want to get rid of these. Get embed code. Well, no, don't want that. I just want the import. Back to this guy. Go to fonts. Paste that in there. And headers. That. Oh. Okay, that worked. Now all I need to do is let's come back up here. Make it a mint grid because that's going to be default one column. Or not. Shouldn't it be? Okay, I see. I can get rid of that. This one is styled. Usually I keep the styles out of the components. Keep it more global. And I am setting the flex direction to column. Save that. No. Somebody has that. I'm just gonna. Oh. Death Comes Lifting feels like a good choice. Yeah, that's what I want. That. Come back here. Paste it there. Actually, I don't care about font size mobile. That doesn't matter. Oh, I keep forgetting you guys can't see what's in the corner of my screen. So basically I'm just good. Okay, so this is still no. Reload that. Okay. Gonna make it 6, 5. That's all that matters. Huh. I want to try it with the Diacerno font. Shit. Hate when you control C instead of control B. Definitely importing too many things, but I do not care. Bruno Ace SC. Bruno Ace SC. Back to global. Yeah, I like this better. But now the font's too big. Classic. Okay, we're close. Back to the SAS. That feels right. And then my cat definitely wants to be like left outside or something. So I'm gonna finish this up real quick and just copy this onto these instead of doing a actual good implementation because it's gonna work out. Perfect. Okay. And for now, I'm gonna remove offline, switch it with the back soon. More space. Yeah, my cat's calling me, so this is the perfect time to test this out. Wait, get rid of that. I need to mute myself. Dumbass cat wanted outside. This is looking pretty good though. I think. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna record this as a video. I think, or you know what, just having the website open wouldn't be too hard. For the Be Back Soon version, at least. Whoa. That was trippy. I didn't notice that. So, um, the headers have a transition on the color. So whenever it loops around, it does like a transition from 360 to 0. That. You know what? It's an accident, but I like it. I think it looks cool. Okay, so now the plan is oh, well, you know what? I'm already recording while I'm streaming. So I don't think I can record again, but I can just make the stream contain the clip that I need. So that is what I'm gonna do. Which means start up over here. No, we're going to remove me from the picture. For a tiny bit, we're going to remove me from the picture. Make sure nothing else is in frame. Can I center this? Can I right click and center? Is it like arrange? Transform? Ah, center horizontally. Maybe it was already centered. Huh. Okay, so I keep my mouse out of the way. I'm gonna come over here, full screen it. Starting off at green. Oh, and the fun transition starts at green, I think. Maybe not. See, you don't even have to be good at After Effects. You can just be good at CSS and record it. Hey, party loop. So I think I must have just missed it. I'm gonna have to make music too. Like wait music. Maybe I'll have Travis do that for me. I want to make sure I get 2 of the colorful loops just in case. That was it. Now I know I have released a loop. Come back over here. And offline is the next one. Because I saw when I was setting up my account that Twitch lets you have a video going when you're not streaming. That will be this. I'm gonna think, is there anything else I need? What's the last one I did? Be right back. And this one says offline. Not sure there's anything else I need. I haven't been paying attention to this. I'm just gonna assume I already got it. The loop isn't very long. There's a colorful part, so do that. And then, you know what? I think I did figure out I'm gonna want starting soon. Just grab one of them. Starting soon. Offline. Be right back. I think that's all I'm gonna need. I'm gonna set this to be right back so I can use that for this stream. Kind of makes it look like certain colors flicker more, but I think that's just the animation easing function like over time. So that looks good to me. Let's bring me back. That's not me. Now can I transform center vertically? Yeah. Transform center horizontally. Bring me back. Get rid of side monitor. Okay, I am back. That is done. Huzzah! Hopefully I'll never need to touch that repo again. So, wait. If I commit this, that's gonna be what's live on my website, isn't it? It is. It is. It is. Okay. It's gonna change it to coming soon. Just need to see it. Excuse me. She set up a shortcut for muting. Coming soon. Very nice. Very nice. Push that. Just done with those. And we're going to go to the main project. Link up my public npm library so I can make updates to that. Ooh, I like that the highlight color changes. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Never mind. You have keys. Wait, that didn't come out of the desktop. That came out of my speakers. That's not right. Yeah, that's not right. Hmm. My AirPods disconnect? Haven't been connected. That's why I haven't been. Oh, so I've been using my shitty mic this whole time. It probably sounded awful. Actually, now I get to pay attention, go back and check out this video where I went from using my shitty external mic to what I assume are going to be better AirPod mics because the gain isn't stuck at 100. Oh, unless the person who said they're having trouble with their headphones actually just couldn't hear me because the gain's stuck on 0. Man, I'm not a fan of that mic. It is such a bad mic. I'm gonna be so sad if that's what happened. But you know what? Audio problems happen. Okay. I guess I wasn't really even doing much anyways. Just updating an old Angular project to have text copied over styles from another project. Made a full screen. Doesn't really matter. Let's start on the real fun stuff. So let's build the libraries. That's gonna give me a second. had to let my cat in and now he wants treats. So I'll be back again real quick. That's so funny. It probably was my microphone. Oh, I have a baby shower tomorrow. Now my ride can't make it. I have another friend I might be able to get one from. Uh, okay. Oh, is this in my headphones now? Yeah. Love that one. Classic. Head back to this video is kind of jarring. I think I'm gonna, can I just, no, 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 no. What am I doing? What do I want to do here? It's one like a boring test video. It's not so jarring. You know what? No, I should be giving Zach the free uh, views. Maybe, not really. Okay, so this is currently a video widget that's supposed to be full background in desktop, but then it breaks off to not be on mobile. But for this landing section, I'm gonna want it to be full height no matter what. I think that's the plan of what's going on next. Close all the folders, come to the top. No, I should be using, what? Literally saying I can't hide the sidebar by clicking on, that's pretty stupid. I guess gotta take the time to learn the shortcuts. Um, what am I doing here? Can I get underscore landing? Okay, so this file has the landing styles. I've got this all in the root. That's for the swiper. This is the negative of the padding. that pages get. I feel like these should all go in here, but maybe the video BG doesn't need to be in there. Margin 0. Let's try taking that out. Yeah, it's the same. No reason to nest that. I'll keep our CSS cleaner. Oh wait, you know what? You know what I was thinking? This doesn't need to be in the root. Correct. Put this root here to increase the order of whatever precedence or whatever. I don't know the exact term. But basically using nesting in a colon root or putting colon root space before whatever you're doing in vanilla CSS is like kind of like adding a exclamation important, but instead of overriding anything else that tries to do that, it gives you one extra level of specificity to your selector. Um, so you can still have something else override it if you want to. It just has to be more specific than this one. Which I mean, if you want, you can just keep on going. If this wasn't overriding the swiper styles, I just put in another root, but I don't need to do that. So I'm gonna save that. And now I also need video. Bring that over into another, and it's just video BG, X direction row, X direction row, Y row. Um, why would it be row? It seems unnecessary. Okay, I gotta go check out the original, which is just on deathcomeslifting.com. This guy. So here, I guess display column makes sense because it's two separate things. You make it bigger, and then it gets weird. But why does it have to be a row? Whoa. Or did I just add in code that does nothing? I mean, it happens frequently. I want, yeah, this one. Flex direction row. Huh. It's definitely doing something. It's aligning flex end. And it needs the margin because I don't like what I'm doing here. Position absolute. And there's just grid. Margin bottom minus 15%. Why did I build this way? Okay, I see. I see, because I wanted to overlap. No, that's good. That's good. I like where we're at. I like where we're at here. Um, okay. Gotta remember what I'm doing. Gotta remember what I'm doing. Come back to the code. That always helps. I was figuring out why the hell there's margin bottom. 15% minus 15%. It makes sense. Hmm. Not sure what this is for. Oh, I see. This is because I couldn't figure out how to negate the margins, but I've already done that, so I think I'm gonna end up deleting this. I'll save that. Okay, back to here. If the video is in a landing, does not get the margins, it's gonna get its min height. Oof. Huh. Where'd that min width go? Dot video bg, that's this one. Min height. Feel like the flex direction, row it. No? Oh. The video is not positioned absolutely. Ah! That works really well with this video. Well, not here. Sorry, Zach. Maybe I should make the photographer him. Create a more centered video, like one that would work on mobile. Should be mobile first, really. Okay, perfect, but this arrow's wrong. Smaller I make it, the worse the arrow gets. What's going on here? Right side's offset 10. So it's even an offset from the outside. So this is something's too wide in here. That's vibrates minus 16. We get rid of that. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I see. I see. Width shouldn't be 100, but I have, this is fluid padding, like it changes from -4 to -16 pixels as your screen moves from the extra small to the small breakpoint. So that makes that hard. Can I just make this percent? Would that save me? Well, that gives me the opposite of what I want. I'm going to do 100 viewport width minus this either 416 or in between. Maybe I just get rid of the fluid padding. I like the fluid padding. Feels good. So, what's the problem here exactly? And so Windows counts the scroll bar as part of the viewport, does it? It appears so. Oh, wait. I got it. I got it. Come to the video. No, not the video. Mid video BG. Where? Where is? Oh, must be this one. Min full page. Max width 100%. Here it is. Max width 100 VW. I could do calc minus 1 rem, I'm guessing. Yeah. It's a bit more than that. It's like 1.07. That's odd. Okay. But I can fix this. Make this 100% is Y. Mint page is relative. I don't see anything about position relative. Maybe main. There it is. So 100%. Yeah. Problem is the padding. With the fluid function. And then the viewport width. Okay, so here's what I wanted to try. Instead of 100, well, let's get rid of the max width. Instead of 100 VW, we're gonna go dVW. That didn't do it. That's not doing it either. What's going on here? What did I do wrong? Inspect that. This. And it's not doing it. What about min? Oh, So it's S. That's not doing it. I hate Windows scroll bars so much. Oh, okay. This actually, I don't know how I stumbled upon that, but that's pretty helpful. I can do. I'm back here. This should be. No, it's the padding that messes me up. Maybe I should just make the video lose 16 pixels on either side. No, no, I'm better than that. We need to figure this out. Okay, so 100 VW is the viewport width, including the scroll bar. And that makes these guys go off screen. Could do width 100%, but the padding makes it smaller. And the padding is dynamic. I'm gonna have to. Okay, okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to util, which is where I have that function. Flex util headers. You know what? What am I doing? Fluid. And there we go. We're gonna copy this. Come over here. No, come over here. Whoa. Okay. Crop is width. It's not 100 VW. 100 VW minus min size. Min size. I'm going to make some variables. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna multiply that by 2. Media min width. Okay, gotta do that. Lovely. Okay. This is gonna be width. Like that. Max size is going to be this. Change this to max. Extra semicolon. Min width, min VW is adding min VW inside. No. No. That's why you can't let AI do your code. Padding min size. There we go. Padding min VW. Those two are fine. And with padding max VW. Geez, this is a long line. Strip unit, padding max size minus padding min size times 100 VW minus padding min VW divided by strip unit padding min VW. Okay. That feels right. Let's just save it. Check out. No errors. That is not quite right. There's this, it's this times 2, 100%, 100. I'm gonna need a times 2 somewhere. Let's check out this. Wait, maybe I get rid of that. This is definitely in between. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. So maybe I do just get rid of the times 2's. Try that. No, that's worse. That's worse. Put those back, and then I'm gonna need more room here. Put that there, hide that. Okay. Min plus max minus min times 100 VW minus padding min divided by, oh, switch my brain. I'd like to do it myself without the AI, but min plus max divided by min times 100 viewport width minus padding divided by strip unit max. Okay, I feel like it's here. Fingers crossed. I don't think so. No, yeah, it wouldn't be there. Would it be here and here? It's hurting my brain a bit. Definitely something wrong with this one. Too wide. It's too wide. No, wait, that's right, is it? No, I'm just trying too many things. Okay, back out of all this. Save that. Come over here. Bring up AI. Was not helpful at all. Max size minus min size times. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna close these for now. Min size plus strip unit max size minus padding min size times 100 VW minus padding min VW divided by strip unit padding max VW minus padding min VW minus padding min size divided by 2. Come on, AI. Doesn't look right. No, it definitely gave me a shit answer. I wanted to analyze my code, but it's not going to do that because AI is fucking dumb. It's only good for advanced intelligence. Okay, width is 100 VW plus padding min size times 2 at min VW. Okay, so this should be right at max and min, and it's not. So let's just start with min. Hundred VW. Plus padding min size times 2 plus the max size minus the min size times 2 times 100 divided by strip unit. That feels right. It is not. The min though, the min should be right, and it's not. What's going on here? Width is 100 VW plus padding min size, which is minus 4 times 2 should be 100 VW minus 8. Oh no. Oh no. It's the scroll bar. God, oh, I hate the scroll bar so much. Okay. 100% minus, minus, minus. That looks much better. That looks much better. What do we got? It's perfect. It is perfect. Okay, now we're losing it a bit. Now we're losing it a bit. Till it gets here, and it's... Okay, so... X size times 2 times -2. That's not going to be right. Oh, well, I'm at max, I imagine, so. No? Well, it's good down here. Gotta figure this out, okay. 100% minus padding min size times 2 rid of those. Keep that. Let's get rid of this ×2 here. See how that affects things. It did not. Plus max size, which is -16, minus min size, which is -4, so -12. Times 100 VW minus the min VW divided by max VW minus min VW strip unit. Max size times plus max size minus min size times that. And I'm still getting not going the full way. But doing this ×2, I feel like didn't bring me what I needed. I didn't do shit. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that and that. See what happens. Nothing. Nothing. What's my max width is 100 VW. Is that fucking me up? No, because 100% less than 100 VW because 100 VW is counting that. Oh, do I have to get rid of that? Is that doing anything? No, no, it wouldn't, because this overrides it. Okay, 100% minus padding inside ×2. 100% minus padding size ×2 plus. Okay. Get rid of this. Make this a minus. Yeah. Man, what am I doing wrong? Something is fucking me up. Wait. Whoa. So I'm gonna have to come back and fix that. But this is NVIDIA BG landing dot swiper. This is part of the dot swiper. Width calc 100% plus 8 pixels. +8 pixels.
come down here. 100% plus 8 pixels. Um, like, huh, I'm doing something wrong here. Okay. What's going on here? Do I need to interpolate them? Something's not happening right here. Go back here, see how I got that. Check out break. Oh, yeah, okay, so these have times 1px. I need that here. What? Yeah, that's weird. Not gonna work. Oh, okay, so I guess there were no units on my media queries. Go back here and see, what did I do here? Yeah, I passed the units in. Usually there's units, and I forgot there's no units from these guys, which is odd. Maybe there should be units there. It's gotta be in pixels. Okay, so now that that's there, I can get rid of that. I'm gonna assume, oh, well, what have I been doing in here? Like, is it gonna be right? I don't even know. This is good. This looks good. It looks right to me. Oh, I reload, is it gonna be better? Yeah, it is. What's going on with this video? Okay, so if I come back here, change this width from 100 VW to 100%, that it loses its padding. So what I'm gonna need from the video also escape, which would mean this wouldn't need it. No, it would. Hmm. You know what? I will come back to that. For now, this is accurate. I don't think the 100 VW is doing any harm. Kind of is. Because this video, it doesn't do that if I get rid of it. I think that's what I have to do. I gotta come back in here, go to the video. Get rid of that. But this is going to need this. I guess, and also these. I'm gonna have to consolidate this. I'll be using the same variables. I just want to see how this works. Now it's worse. Probably because I have to do the same thing with the width. Looking great. And this is, damn it. Oh, wonder why that's there. Huh. Right. So if I'm doing it to this, I'm going to take this. Wait, got all the variables. Gonna take this. We're gonna make this into its own util. And things, flex, headers, background clip. Good. Okay. And we're gonna do Easy peasy, nice and simple. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so what am I doing? Left top with 100%. Okay, so I need to do that. Come over here. Oh no, I can't remove this. I don't know why I thought I could remove this from landing. These classes are only supposed to apply to video BGs within the landing widget. So I do have to put this in here. Type it in. Okay, perfect-ish. Oh, forgot to add my things. It is looking pretty good. Close that for now. Whew. Get rid of that. Feeling good about where we are here. Full screen. Got your video background. So, next step. What am I doing? What am I doing? I am going to add content. Ah. Okay, so we'll go to the admin pan, the edit part of the site, pages. I have a bunch of pages here. I want the home page. Okay. I'm going to add to the second one some content. Under the items, those are going to be other objects. I'm just going to do title test content. Yeah. Description is it is temporary content. I should just use AI, but don't feel like leaving the page. Okay. We'll add buttons. Those are objects. We'll do router link. Slash down. Title. Learn more. No errors, so I can save it and then I come back home. Go to the second one. This content is down here for whenever this section isn't inside one of these carousels, but the content's there. Now I'm gonna come over here, continue editing the video BG. Um, let's see. Video, break on the large, breakpoint, min height, unset. Okay, not what I wanted. Definitely not what I wanted. No. Yeah, wait. Delete that, save that, come back. What did I do? Oh, I need this. Right. Because the video BG widget starts off in like display block instead of position absolute, or yeah, I guess position static versus position absolute. There. Um, so align them center. Okay. Let's see if I can go back to here. Oh, no, not go back to there. Go back to edit the home page. Let's see. Somewhere, I think for the video BG, I'm going to do classes. This one's going to be int left. And we're going to see if that does anything. No. Hmm. Okay, this looks good. I just want. Oh, how do I get it in the center? I think it's because I made it big. Okay. This is good. Clicking on the link works. Check out my left and right classes. Okay, I see. I have to use the max classes with left and right, which is smart. I should be doing that anyway. So back to the content editor. Let's try moving the classes onto the card. Save that, check it out. But I forgot I need. Int. Oh, sometimes it does that. Int max. Just start with MD, see what happens. Okay, well, it is left. But it goes all the way left. And that's not what I want. So, back here, the classes go back onto the video BG. Let me see how that works, because I think that one has a doesn't do anything. Well, it's worth a shot. Come back here. Take these classes, cut them out. I'm just gonna come down here and start a new object so I can tell what's going on here. This is very dense. What was I doing? I want a grid with those classes. And then items, an array, objects, and it's going to be the only object. Put that in there. That. Put that in there. Save it. Come back. So it is left. It is left. It is max empty. Okay, I'm getting close. I'm getting close. I want this to be I guess we're gonna make this LG. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna try to give this one classes again. That one gets mint max MD. Save it, come back, reload it. There we go. Now we have it contained at least. Come back here. Don't want the MD SM. Oh, I gotta make Control S work on here. Lovely. Why isn't it centered though? Oop. Vertically, I mean. Oh my god. Hmm. Hmm. Sometimes I write just the shittiest code. Back to the video. Is there even a grid in here? Oh, here's the card, here's the grid. Oh, okay. So, copy this. Nope. Oh, yes. Copy that, paste it into here, make that 0. Because I don't want to have to make a separate widget for this guy, so we're just going to do overrides. This content is blocking the arrows. Quick, come in here. I would like to try it on the right. Save it, come, reload. Lovely. I'd also like it to be smaller. Perfect. Now I just have to make a version with an image background. And then this is mostly complete. As a base, obviously, as I'm building websites with it, I will be tweaking it often. Toma wants to say hi. Is it time for wet food? It is. It's time for wet food. So this is probably a good place to take a break. Maybe on the stream. Where we at? 2.5 hours. I hardly did shit. I just rambled most of the time. That's okay. Um, did get some things done. That was fun. I think I'm gonna stop streaming so that I can make the videos into OBS scenes So this will be the end of coding with Sam 2. Oh, and I get to review the audio and see if it was awful at first, and that's why Aria Carter was having trouble with their headphones. I'm gonna see if it was actually just me not having my headphones connected to my PC. Oh well. Maybe I'll do jamming with Sam before I start my next coding stream. It's coming now. It's coming.